Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my mess. So today I've got somewhat of a haul, yet not really, because this product from Mr. Pen was sent to me by the company to review, and these Ohuhu markers, isn't that cute? Comes with a little sticker, a little mustache sticker. This sketchbook is an Ohuhu sketchbook, and these are Ohuhu markers that I've had for a while, never used. So they come in this kit, and I'm not really reviewing the markers, I'm just showing them to you. I decided to put together a value pen kit to take with me when I travel, go to workshops, go to plein air painting. The last workshop I took taught me the importance of a value study. Oh, this sketchbook comes with a piece of plastic in it so it doesn't bleed through. Well, isn't that cool? That's just really cool. Okay, so it does have, I'm going to put it right there in the second page, because we're going to swatch these out in sections. I figure I would use the grays and the blues, and then I'm also going to put in a mechanical pencil. Here's extra lead that I'll probably put in. Let me just go ahead and open that. And I'll probably put in some microns and maybe a white gel pen, an eraser. I'll probably put the eraser, let me put them pencils in together. I'll probably put that eraser in maybe this front pocket. Little pencil sharpener, Coom pencil sharpener for this pencil. It's a Sketcher non-photo blue pencil, and I really like it. I got a couple of these Pitt pens, and I got a blue Copic marker, which I'm going to put in that stack there. I thought that would be enough range for me to do a value study, but I was missing a really dark, several shades of blue and gray in between. So I thought, well, I could either do them in blue or I can do them in gray. These markers, they are categorized into cool grays, warm grays, neutral gray, and green gray. I sped up the swatching footage by quite a bit because it was quite the process of me getting my thoughts together and organizing the markers and deciding which color family I wanted to start with. Goodness! You know, sometimes I think we as art junkies just have too much stuff to deal with. I really did love this pencil case though, because it held all I needed and then some. I plan on keeping this kit just like this and putting it in my car for doing value study thumbnails at the drop of a hat. So I'll link it in the description below. Okay, here I am back after swatching all these markers, and I have decided something. I have decided that I am not going to put the blue markers in this set. I think that this has enough range, these grays has enough range, from green to blue to brown to a little bit of a lavender color to very neutral. So I'm just going to take these out. I might leave this Copic and this Faber-Castell in here if I want. And, you know, I can always revisit this later and add, and, you know, nothing's set in stone. So I am going to pull these out, these blue ones. I'm going to put them in back in my Ohuhu package and just go with the others as far as for my value. I am not going to use those in my value study, but these are plenty of markers. Now let me close this up. I like this little mustache. I think I'm going to put this over here and write my name and address in there in case it gets lost. And so this is what I'm going to do with this marker case, or this pencil case. I'm going to put all these value study markers in here. That way I can have them for my... This is a nice marker case. It has that main zip compartment. Then it has a zipper compartment up front where I've got my eraser and my pencil sharpener. This is cool gray. This needs to go back in there. This is a nice pencil case. Easy to get in and out of. There's even a couple of pockets in there to put a couple things. Nice. Nice pencil case. This is about all you would need to take for a travel to-go kit. I might even put that Sharpie in there. I got a Copic in there, and I got a Micron in there. Got a white. That's not, that's one of those sparkly. I'll just put a white Jelly Roll pen in there. I have plenty of room for a travel water kit. And then I could put some paper towel. And then I can also put Fumumi travel brushes in there. They will fit fine. I could put them in the packet or I could take them out. There's plenty of room to take them out. Put a paper towel. Let's see if that's going to fit there. I don't know if it will or not. So let's go and put it somewhere else. There's plenty of room in there. It won't fit here. Not this one. This is a good one for travel. This is just a Cotman set. Plenty of room. That's everything you need. Everything you need. So if you can think of anything I'd need besides what I have in here, let me know in the comments below. But yes, I say I give this Mr. pencil case, that's a nice rubber pull too. That's nice. Handle to hold it. That is a nice pencil case. It feels good. It's canvas material. It is a nice pencil case. So let me know what you think about this and how much it holds. Let me know if you think I need to put anything else in there. I don't think I do. You know, that gets my value study. You know, it could even fit a sketchbook. Would it fit this sketchbook? Not that one. Let's see if it would fit this Winsor Newton sketchbook. You know, you'd want to take your marker sketchbook. Oh, that's pushing it if I want to take all those markers. You know, I haven't tested this paper with watercolors, but I think I just want to take this, and then if I wanted another sketchbook, I could take it. You know, here's my Etcher sketchbook. I could take 2 sketchbooks and this, and I'd have everything I needed. So let me know in the comments if you think I've left anything out, which I might have. But yes, I give this Mr. Pen pencil case. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get them on Amazon. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.